This is how to make chicken jalfrezi, a sort of stir-fried spicy curry which is bursting with flavour. Start by marinating chicken thigh with salt, pepper, lemon juice, paprika, and I also like to add a little tandoori powder. You can also add chilli powder and set your chicken aside. Then, keeping your pan at a medium heat, add diced onion to a little ghee or butter along with cumin seeds, mustard seeds and nigella seeds. Grind your coriander and cumin seeds and add this to your pan once your onions are soft and browning slightly, and let the spices fry for a few moments. Then add plenty of fresh minced garlic and ginger, frying for another few seconds until it smells fragrant before adding your marinated chicken to the pan. Let your chicken brown on all sides slightly before adding fresh tomatoes. You can use canned tomatoes if you wish. Add a squeeze of tomato puree and stir before adding the rest of your spices such as salt, pepper, dried fenugreek, turmeric, paprika and chilli powder if you want a hotter curry. Cover and let this simmer. For your stir-fried vegetables, fry mustard seeds and fresh minced ginger and garlic with a little ghee before adding diced bell peppers and onions. Add some curry leaves and whole fresh chillies if you wish, and when your vegetables have softened slightly, add it to your curry. Let this simmer together for a minute before serving with a sprinkle of fresh coriander, and that's all there is to it. Please like, subscribe and click the notification bell if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.